Kumusta mga kaboxing? This is Boy Kalawang TV. So matapos nga pong sumabog ang balita kani-kanina lang na ang laban ng Canelo Alvarez versus Terence Crawford na magaganap sana sa darating na buwan ng September 13 sa Las Vegas, Nevada, USA ay hindi na po matutuloy. Ayon po yan sa inilabas na balita ng Ring Magazine. Kaya sayang nga po ang mga nag-aabang ng laban na ito dahil isa nga po ito sa mga labang tatatak sa history ng boxing kung natuloy. At sa kabilang balita naman po mga idol, binanatan ni 3-weight undisputed world champion Claressa Shields itong si former YouTuber at ngayon lumalaban na sa professional boxing na si Jake Paul. Ayon nga po dito mga idol kay Claressa Shields, kung inaakala po daw ni Jake Paul na kaya siyang talunin ito sa isang boxing match na laban ay para po daw itong nasisiraan na ng ulo. At ito nga po mga idol ang naging pahayag ni Claressa Shields.
I mean, it's so like they say stuff like, oh, that Jake Paul would beat me in a boxing match. No, the hell he would not. I don't know why you guys fix your lips to say that. I've been boxing 18 years and you want to tell me a YouTuber that's been boxing for a couple of years can beat me in boxing because he's a man and he got a penis? If we don't get the fuck out of here, we are in 2025. Let's be logical. Let's be logical. Jake Paul wouldn't even get inside the ring and spar with me. It wouldn't even go on his record. He wouldn't get in the ring and even spar with me because he knows I'm not going to get in there and try to knock him out and go power for power with him. I'm getting there and box him, use my experience. I've been to the Olympics twice. They got girls in the amateurs who I fought against that beat Jake Paul. And this is serious. Savannah Marshall would beat Jake Paul. Shadaysha Green would probably beat up Jake Paul. I'm being honest with you. Like I like what he's done with his brand and with the sport and what he's done with Amanda Serrano. But it's like, if we're talking about real boxing against, put him inside the ring with an Andre Dirrell or Andre Ward, and then we can say he fought a real fighter. And of course, Mike Tyson is a real fighter. And I'm not saying he's not because he's one of the greatest to ever do it. But Mike Tyson was 58. And everybody keeps saying the fight was rigged. I don't know if the fight was rigged. I don't know. I'm not going to be a person to say that. I'm just saying Mike Tyson was 58. And I know if Mike Tyson would have been 50 or 48, Jake Paul wouldn't have been able to do anything with Uncle Mike Tyson.
So sang-ayon po ba kayo mga idol sa mga sinabi ni Claressa Shields na hindi po daw siya kayang talunin ni Jake Paul sa isang boxing match na laban? At sa kabilang banda, kinumpirma nga po ng ama ni King Ray, Ryan Garcia, na si Eddie Reynoso na po ang magiging bagong head coach ng kanyang anak na si Ryan Garcia sa darating na laban nito kontra kay Rolly Romero. Kaya dahil po dyan sa balita na yan mga idol, na etsapwera na naman po itong si Derrick James. Dahil kung matatandaan po natin, hawak nga po nito dati si former Unified World Welterweight Champion Errol Spence Jr. Pero nung matalo nga po si Spence sa kamay ni Terence Crawford nung nakaraang taon ay umalis na rin po ito sa pangangalaga ni Derrick James. At ganun din po ang nangyari dito sa isa pa niyang hawak na boksingero na si Frank "The Ghost" Martin. Noong matalo nga po nito ni Gervonta "Tank" Davis nung nakaraang taon ay umalis na rin po ito sa pangangalaga ni Derrick James. Kaya ngayon, eto naman pong si Ryan Garcia ang umalis sa poder ni Derrick James. Kaya po ngayon mga idol, wala na po ngayong sikat na boksingero at may pangalan na hawak si Derrick James sa kanyang boxing gym. At hanggang dito na lang po muna ang aking update sa mga aganapan sa mundo ng boxing. At syempre mga idol, huwag nyo rin pong kalimutan, pakisuportahan nyo naman po muna ang ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po.